Sammy fam. Today we're going to be making an awesome simulate chicken pizza. But first we're going to start by making a custom sauce. This is going to be a spicy green mayonnaise. I'm going to use up some sour cream. Open another sour cream. Somehow I always end up having multiple open sour creams in my fridge. Some mayonnaise. And more mayonnaise. Onion powder. Some mustard. Actually, I want a lot of mustard. White pepper. Some smoked paprika. And some dry dill weed. Some crystal hot sauce will really give it a nice bite. And we're going to throw in some parsley. We're just going to blend this all together. I realized that I forgot to put some garlic in. And blend it again. Wow, it doesn't look like your traditional ranch, but it's kind of like a spicy, herby ranch sauce. We're going to put simulate chicken nuggets on our pizza. I love these spicy ones. And hey, anything we do to decrease the amount of meat we eat is a good thing. Both for us and for the world. The pizza's going to have pepper jack and cheddar cheeses on it. This cheese grater has taken so many pieces of my fingers over the years. But not today. A little bit of green onion, just so we can give our pizza a spangling of onions. And I'll be putting some mild banana pepper rings on it too. My wife loves banana pepper. I'm using a store-bought dough that I've cold fermented for at least 72 hours, so it's nice and tangy and easy to handle. Hand stretch it out and put it on the peel. Takes a little while, but it's fun, you know. Just be very careful not to rip it, because then it's a pain to fill in the holes without it falling apart. Spread our homemade spicy ranch all over the crust. I like to go edge to edge. Put our fake chicken down. It's so hard to resist just eating all these right now. I'll deliver the rest of these to my wife as a nice little snack with a touch of my homemade sauce. But I gotta try one. Cheese on top. our green onion. She already looks gorgeous. Our banana pepper rings. This will make my wife love this pizza. And low-key, I'd really like them too. She turned them on to me. Turned me on to them. I don't know if banana pepper likes me back. I always give my pizza a shake to make sure I don't have an accident at this very critical stage. Onto the pizza steel. 550 degrees for about 6-8 minutes. I'll switch it to broil in the last couple minutes just to make sure the top gets nice and crispy. Oh yeah, I love that spotting on there. Now that's a good looking pizza. I go crazy for a good sizzle. That crispy crust, I love punching through it with my mezzaluna. And now we have a beautiful chicken nugget pizza, but not actually chicken. That's way too hot to eat right now. So after about 5 minutes, it's time to go in and get that first bite. Ooh, that's good. I'm gonna need more than just one bite, and I think I'm gonna try some of these bacon bits on here. Which, you know, bacon bits are actually made out of soy, so this is still vegetarian. That is good. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know your favorite non-meat pizza ideas in the comments.